Stop scrolling. Most luxury cars in 2026 are officially cooked. They're just plastic shells with a tablet glued to the dash. But the real ones know that true beauty doesn't chase trends. It commands them. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz W180 Ponton Heritage Rest Mod. It's got that 1950s old money swagger, but with a secret under the hood that'll make a modern AMG sweat. Stick around, because we're about to show you an interior that makes a private jet look like economy class, and a powertrain that turns this dignified icon into a straight-up land missile. If you think you've seen a rest mod before, you're not ready for this. If you believe a car should be a statement of intent rather than just a way to get from A to B, you're exactly where you belong. We're rebuilding the icons that defined the golden age. Secure your seat in this journey, hit that subscribe button right now, and join the global vanguard. I'm hearting the best comments from the Day One crew. The face of this thing? Absolute liquid alubeam silver. It looks like it was carved from a single block of mercury. We reimagined that iconic vertical grille in brushed titanium, flanked by 3D-etched LED headlamps that mimic the warm, soulful glow of the original glass. No plastic clutter, no fake vents, just that high-mounted three-pointed star acting as your fixed compass. It's a front end that doesn't just face the wind, it clears the fast lane without asking for permission. Look at this silhouette! One continuous sweeping gesture that honors the Ponton name without a single jagged interruption. We slammed it 2 inches lower than the original, hunkered down over bespoke 19-inch monoblock wheels in a muted warm gold. One razor-sharp shoulder line runs the whole length, making this pillarless hardtop look like a floating arc of glass and steel. This isn't just a resto mod. It's a masterclass in physical presence. Now here's where things get insane. Everyone thinks resto mods are just old bodies on new engines, but the engineers behind this W180 did something impossible. In about 60 seconds, I'm gonna show you a dashboard made of solid Macassar ebony that literally disappears to reveal an edge-to-edge 8K display. You won't believe how we hid the future inside the past. Around back, the badging is recessed with jewelry-grade precision. Those taillights? They're deep red OLED filaments that pulse with a biological rhythm, like the car is actually breathing. We integrated the rear bumper perfectly into the bodywork, hiding a high-flow ceramic exhaust that only reveals itself when you hit the throttle and let out a low-frequency growl. Standing still, it's a silent art piece. In motion, it's a ghost. Step inside, and your house is officially trash. We're talking Neva gray leather hand-stitched in a timeless fluted pattern. The dash is a fusion of hand-rolled wood and that hidden 8K display I mentioned. It's high-tech, but only when you want it to be. Every knob is weighted, knurled silver, from the organ stop vent controls to the ambient lighting that mimics a twilight in Stuttgart. It's an interior that doesn't just host you, it earns your silence through pure tactile perfection. This is what it feels like to actually arrive. In '54, the original 220A relied on a smooth 85 horsepower inline-six. Respect to the OG, but we needed more. We evolved that spirit into a 3.0-liter bi-turbo inline-six hybrid, pushing a monumental 450 horsepower. It's hooked up to a 9-speed silk-shift transmission that glides like a dream. It went from a dignified cruiser into a ballistic sanctuary that moves with the effortless grace of a rising tide. It's got the soul of a classic and the bite of a predator. You want a piece of this history? It's a $380,000 buy-in. And don't expect to see one at every stoplight. There are only 12 of these being built for the entire world. Each one is a singular expression for those who view their garage as a gallery. We didn't rebuild the Ponton to compete with the future. We built it to remind the future where the soul was first found. Ancient soul meets architectural intelligence. So, is the W180 the ultimate main character car, or is it too much for the streets? Drop your city and your take in the comments. I'm replying to the best ones. And if you haven't hit that bell yet, you're missing the greatest builds on YouTube. I'll see you in the next one.